Strong increase in sales and earnings, Johan Molin. Tell us about ASSA ABLOY's second quarter result.
Well, the quarter was very good for us. The markets are still not all that strong, but still, if you look to our numbers, I'm very, very pleased. We grew by 14% and we had a profit improvement by 13%, and it was good performance in all parts of the group as well. So I feel very pleased about this.
How have the divisions developed during the quarter?
Looking to Europe, where we were the most worried in the quarter, we grew 3% and we had Easter effect coming negative this quarter, so a very pleasing development. Entrance System had the same. APAC accelerated, so we saw good improved growth in China and good growth and improved growth in the rest of the region as well. Americas had 3% growth as well. There we are having meeting last year's very good sales for schooling due to the unfortunate shootings in the USA, and still we have beaten that by 3%. And there we see clearly that it's a pickup in the market for new construction, which we haven't seen for many years. So that's very positive. And Entrance Systems also had a good evolution, 3% organic growth. There, the only negative I could say is that in Europe we see some weakness still in the industrial segment. Otherwise, it's rather good.
Now, sales of electromechanical lock solutions increased by 10% in Americas and EMEA. How important are new products for ASSA ABLOY?
Extremely important. I mean, we launched new platforms that are common throughout the group, which helps the customers to go, especially large corporations, to go standardizing on their locking devices and total door solutions. That's one parameter. The other one is also that they are both more efficient, more for the customer meaning, and the other side is that we also can produce them in a more efficient way. So altogether, it's a win-win situation between us and the customer.
What does the most recent acquisition, Enox in India, add to the group?
Enox is a rather small acquisition, but India so far has been very fragmented and hasn't shown any sign really to consolidate. But we see the first good signs now. So India for us is still a small market, but Enox makes us grow about 30% on the Indian market. And it's a first step to add on more or bolt on, as we have done in many other markets, more critical mass in order to become a really relevant player on the Indian market. So through this, we are one of the absolute largest in that market. It's only one local company that is larger than us.
And finally, Johan, a comment about ASSA ABLOY's future strategy.
Well, it continues in the same way, and I think we have a very good strategy. We are very interested in emerging markets. We work very hard on specification people, offering total door solutions to our customers. We work hard on innovation, and we are very, very conscious about not having too complex structure in the sense that we do assembly in high-cost countries, and we do mainly sourcing of non-critical components from suppliers. So far it has worked very well for us, and I think it will carry on into the future as well.
Thank you very much, Johan Molin.
Thank you.